So I'm gonna see what I can do today by way of longer content, just by what I'm doing, because I seem to have let the team down just a little bit. Right. So obviously, being a mechanic, we do a lot on the cars. But if you haven't noticed recently, there appears to be a lot of weight loss off my face and everything else going on. So there's going to be more videos on what I've done, how I've done it, and yeah, just a bit of more information, because I've kind of posted the odd picture and stuff like that, but you've never actually really seen or heard about what I'm doing. So I've kept it a little bit sort of under the cap. Not for any particular reason other than it just has a little bit more of an effect, when you go from, where was I, 110 kilograms, 110 kilograms, which is, it's a good size. I'm 6'1" as well, so 110 kilograms, and down to my weigh-in this morning, which was 82.6 kilograms, which is a tickle over 13 stone. And at my heaviest, I will put a picture in up here, at my heaviest, 20 stone, right? So have a look at that chap up there. I know, right? And I can't blame anyone else but myself. I'm not going to blame anyone else but myself. I'm the one that put the food in my mouth. I'm the one that did very little exercise. I'm the one that created that monster, right? And I could go, oh yeah, but work's hard. Oh, but I'm tired when I get home, right? We can all make excuses, can't we? But, if we're going to do something about it, we're going to do it, right? Don't wait until January the 1st, by the way. Don't wait until the Monday or whatever you're going to do. If you're going to change your life now. Start now. I did. And the only one sole reason that I decided to lose the weight that I have lost is because I want to be around for my family longer. And I stick with that. And that's the only reason I have. And of course, that's huge, right? So literally that. I just want to be around for my family longer. Going the way I was going wasn't going to happen. Unfortunately, it wasn't going to happen. It was only going one way. I didn't have any health problems, but also I didn't want it to get to the stage where I had health problems. Being a mechanic, my back hurts, my knees hurt anyway. But was that also the weight I had? Definitely. Because since losing a lot of that weight, I don't have the knee pain. I've got more energy. And the back pain, it's a bit different. Being a mechanic, I'm not over an engine bay all the time. Yeah, that's a hazard of the job for sure. But my good lady wife has bought me a Christmas present. I say a Christmas present, a little bit of an early one. However, I've got an appointment tomorrow at 2 o'clock. Yeah, tomorrow at 2 o'clock to have me back checked out, and to have all this weird and wonderful science stuff go on that's hopefully going to help me alleviate that little problem. And that's not down to the weight, that's just down to the work I do, and obviously lifting heavy things, and it's a very manual job, as you will know. So the idea behind this is to do a little bit longer content and just, again, show you a bit of what I do. I see a lot of the YouTubers as well doing this kind of thing, and I'm not jumping on the bandwagon. I just want you to see where I've gone, what I've done, how I've done it. And if I can inspire you guys out there to just change one thing or do one thing that you want to do. If you want to lose weight, do it. You want to build muscle, do it. All right, don't wait. Make the decision. It's good. So what I'm doing now is getting ready for the gym. This is my Wednesday session, so I don't know when this video is going to be posted, but I'm going to try and get some content of obviously me on the machines as well. Excuse the faces. Quite heavy weights. I've got, what have we got today? Chest press, leg press, shoulder work, pull-ups. Yeah, it's an interesting one. So I'm going to show you, just a lot of people just train on water, right? I did to a point, and obviously water is mint for hydration. It's not the best, as weird as that sounds. There are obviously electrolyte drinks, recovery drinks, that kind of thing. So what I tend to do is I've got to have my creatine in a day anyway, and it tastes banging. It's cherry apple flavour. So what I do is I mix my creatine and have that as my workout drink. So I'm getting my creatine in. I'm also getting the 600 ml of water that bottle contains in as well, and that goes towards my 3 litres a day minimum that I should be drinking. And plonk a bit of that in. Now, I'm not sponsored by these. Supplied Nutrition, you can see. Supplied Nutrition, it's a cherry apple flavour. Bosh. I'm not sponsored by these, but it is a good product and it's not that expensive either. But it's really good. It's just shy of 5 grams of creatine per serving, which 5 grams is where you want to be, so a little bit less, you know. It's all right. Tastes good. Good for a drink while you're working out. 50 servings in one of these little tubs and all. I think I only paid like 15 quid for it as well. So, and that might have been an Amazon Black Friday deal. I'm not totally sure on that one. But I'll put the link down below if you want to check that out. There are hundreds of creatine drinks, recovery drinks. There's loads. But that one's one I'm using at the minute. If you guys have got any suggestions for creatine drinks as well, I'm not about the gummies. The gummies are just more of a gimmick, to be honest, than I really want. But I'm on about the drinks because I can mix it and drink it at the gym. So without further ado, I'm going to try and film some workout for you. Plonk it all together on a video and you can just see how I changed that guy up there into how you see me on the camera, right? And I've only done it in 16 weeks, so it's not long. What's that, 16 weeks, 4 months? Yeah, 4 months. Diet and exercise, nothing crazy. Diet and exercise, that is your lot. Let's get out there and do it. Right, just to round up that little video, hopefully the microphone's working. So today was more of a see where I can get the camera, what I can film. So I've not managed to film any of the exercises purely because gym's got a few folk in it. Not sure how that goes yet. I don't want to get people on camera if they don't want to be on camera. So I can show more exercises on a quieter sesh. That's not a problem. So I've done all the weights. I'm now, as you can hear and see, on the treadmill, doing a 12 incline at 5 kilometers an hour. This is a 20-minute cardio, and then I'll get my steps in after. But yeah, as a hard gym session, to be fair. And I think on reflection, when you are doing a weight loss transformation, you are going to find food fatigue a thing. So you'll see people on YouTube that are doing 3,000 to 4,000 calories a day, and they're lifting all right, yeah? Even they struggle. But currently I'm on 1,700, phase 1 of transformation, so low calories. I've moved on to phase 2 of the exercise of the transformation, which is heavier sets, lower reps. Food's still the same. So I do hit fatigue quite quickly, and it does batter my confidence a little bit, but that's going to happen. Until there's fuel in the tank, I'm going to hit that brick wall, but I'm going to keep turning up. I'm going to keep pushing and pushing and pushing, and I'm not going to let it beat us. So I'm going to finish up here on the treadmill. I've got another 10.5 minutes to go, and then I'll come home, or I'll go home, sorry, and I'll show you guys what I do just after the gym. I eat my protein shake, again, still bearing in mind the 1,700 calories, and round the video off nicely. So I'll see you on my way in. So I'll speed through it right quick. 43 minutes on the treadmill, nearly 6,000 steps, 4 kilometers done, 301 calories burnt. I did 20 minutes, 12 incline, 5 kilometers an hour walk, and then 20 minutes, 23 minutes jog at 6.5 kilometers an hour. I'll see you outside. It's a bit loud in here, so I'll sped through it. Woo! Sped through that one a little bit quick. I don't want it to get flagged on YouTube for copyright because of the music that was going on. And there was someone steaming the floor behind me as well, so a little bit loud. So hopefully you got all that. It was a decent cardio session. Like I say, food fatigue is a huge thing when you're on a weight loss transformation, so don't let it beat you up. If you are, just like a car, if there's no fuel in the tank, there's no go. All right, don't let it defeat you. Don't let it knock your confidence. Just remember, just keep turning up, keep putting in maximum effort. Progress will come. Yeah, the one thing that I would recommend, and this has come from my PT because he's a ledge, by the way, so I will send in this video, Cam, bless his heart, is take photos. And always, if you're not on an app where you can record things, just write things down. So write the exercise, the amount of reps, and just write your weights down, yeah? Hold yourself accountable, but also you can see your own progress. That's why photos are key, because you see yourself every day.
So seeing yourself every day, you're not really going to see the changes. But taking photos, you can look back and go, wow, in 1 month, in 2 months, you know what I mean? So they're perfect. They really do help you. And then the people around you will naturally just go, oh, you've lost a little bit of weight, haven't you? Oh, you're looking all right. And they're the confidence boost you'll just naturally get. But definitely take those photos and enjoy the journey. It's got ups, it's got downs, but the end result, I'm not there yet, so I can't even tell you the end result. But so far, so good. And I'm going to keep documenting these. And I'm going to drive home now and then bring you along for making up my protein shake, which I can only have a protein shake on a training day. Thank God that's today. So let's get mixing up that protein and go and interrogate the missus as well, who's working from home. So we might have to be inside the kitchen. But anyway, let's go go drink some protein. Right, we're only slightly going to annoy the wife. I'm not going to get her on camera because she's at work. But I am going to make me protein. Save on washing up as well. I'll get that. 200 ml of water in the bottle that I had my creatine in, and then we'll get the naughty boy stuff involved. Bosh, there's the flavour and chocolate cookies and cream. It is banging, and the calories are quite low as well. So it is one scoop. So we see if I can put it down a little bit. Oh, there we go. Get to see me nanas as well. So 1 scoop. Lovely stuff there. It's not the cheapest, but that's how big this scoop is. Smash it into your cup. Bang the lid on. This stand that was sent, by the way, it's absolutely banging. Get your shake on. This bottle's going in the bin because it leaks really badly. It's going to mug me off now, I'm not leaking it. Don't want any lumps. Breathe before you drink, otherwise you're like fish out of water. Anyway, that's that done. Like I say, I can only have one of them on a training day. It is nice though, and that is essentially, I've done my 10,000 steps as well. 10,181, so minimum 10,000 a day. If I go over, it's no biggie, you know, it helps, but minimum of 10,000 a day. The wife's helping me as well. She's got shitloads of steps in, but she's off to Lincoln Cathedral tonight to some Christmas thing. Not my bag. She's invested in her work. She's literally the other side of the door as well, so we don't want to disturb her too much. So guys, that is just one of the many videos I can make of what I'm doing. Like I say, sorry for the lack of actual exercise in this video other than the treadmill, because I'm just fathering men out. I don't want people on the camera that don't want to be on the camera. I need to know where to put my camera, you know. Dot the I's, cross the T's, make sure it's all right. Don't want to upset anyone. So let me know down in the comments what you think. Like I say, there'll be more of them. If you're in the middle of a plan or thinking about a plan or something like that, drop it in the comments. I'm not making plans. I don't make plans. I'm not going to change your life, but I'm going to show you how my life's been changed. And there are people out there that can give you the tools to change your life yourself. You just got to be in the mindset to do it. Have great support around you. Fortunately, my wife is hugely supportive and doing it herself as well. So it's a win-win. Thank you to Cam, personal trainer. I mentioned him earlier on in the video as well. He's doing his thing, which ultimately means I'm now nearly 4 stone down in 4 months, which is unreal. Anyway, have an amazing rest of your day, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.